Welcome to our video on maximizing savings through cashback rewards. In today's world, online shopping has become a popular way to shop. Let's explore how you can save money while shopping online. Cashback rewards are a great way to save money while shopping online. They work by giving you a percentage of your purchase back as cash. Let's take a closer look at how they work. When you shop through a cashback website, you earn a percentage of your purchase back as cash. Cashback Monitor is a great tool to help you find the best cashback deals. Cashback Monitor compares cashback rates from different websites to help you find the best deal. It's easy to use and can save you a lot of money. Let's take a closer look at how to use Cashback Monitor. First, go to the website and create an account. Next, search for the store you want to shop at and see the available cashback deals. Click on the cashback deal you want and shop as usual. Your cashback will be credited to your account. In conclusion, using Cashback Monitor is a great way to save money while shopping online. Start using it today and maximize your savings.